Shocking! These countries will pay you to move there in 2025. Tired of the grind? Get paid to live your dream. Feeling trapped in the daily grind? Imagine a life where you're not just surviving, but thriving. Believe it or not, some countries will actually pay you to move there. Southern Italy is facing a significant population decline. To combat this, they're offering incredible incentives. Think houses for €1 and grants for new businesses. The goal is to breathe new life into these overlooked areas. They want to inject fresh energy into their economies. Imagine starting your dream business in a beautiful Italian town. Keep an eye on regions like Calabria, Molise, and Sardinia. These are prime locations for these revitalization efforts. Your Italian adventure could be closer than you think. Spain is also grappling with rural depopulation. They're actively seeking newcomers to rebuild their villages. Financial assistance and affordable housing are on the table. This is a fantastic opportunity for families and entrepreneurs. Imagine contributing to a vibrant, close-knit community. You could help preserve Spain's rich cultural heritage. Spain offers a unique blend of tradition and opportunity. It's a chance to escape the city and embrace a simpler life. Consider the possibilities of a new chapter in rural Spain. Nestled in the breathtaking Swiss Alps lies Albinen. This picturesque village is offering substantial financial incentives. They're specifically targeting families to relocate and settle down. The incentive is designed to encourage home ownership. It helps families build or purchase a property in Albinen. This is a direct response to young people leaving the village. Albinen aims to reverse this trend and secure its future. It's an attractive option for those seeking peace and nature. Imagine raising your family in the heart of the Swiss Alps. Ireland, known for its vibrant culture and stunning landscapes. Its remote islands are facing the challenge of population decline. The government is offering grants to encourage relocation. The goal is to revitalize these unique island communities. They want to preserve their distinct cultural heritage. This is a chance to experience a truly authentic Irish lifestyle. Imagine living on a rugged island with breathtaking views. You could contribute to the long-term sustainability of the islands. Island life in Ireland might be your perfect escape. Antikythera is a small, idyllic island in Greece. It's located between Crete and Kythera. They're offering financial incentives and housing to attract new residents. The primary goal is to boost the island's population. This is an opportunity to experience a slower, more relaxed pace of life. You could become part of a close-knit, welcoming community. Imagine living on a beautiful Greek island. You could contribute to the island's unique culture and traditions. Antikythera offers a truly unique opportunity for a fresh start. Before packing your bags, conduct thorough research. Eligibility requirements for these programs vary significantly. The application processes can be complex and time-consuming. Understand the long-term commitment required by each program. Investigate the specific details of each program carefully. Make sure you understand the local culture and customs. Assess whether the lifestyle aligns with your personal goals. Consider whether it aligns with your professional aspirations. Moving to a new country is a significant undertaking. Careful planning and research are absolutely essential. Don't rush into any decisions without doing your homework. But with the right preparation, it could be the adventure of a lifetime. Yete, conclusion and call to action. So are you ready to take the leap and start a new chapter? These countries are offering incredible opportunities for a fresh start. Don't let this chance pass you by. Visit the official websites of these regions and islands today. Research the specific programs and eligibility requirements. Start planning your dream move and embrace a life of adventure. Like this video if you found it helpful and informative. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel and relocation tips. Share this video with anyone who might be interested in moving abroad.